Have you ever seriously wondered why some individuals always appear so incredibly calm and completely in control under the most extreme work pressures? As if they possess some hidden internal reset button that is instantly accessible? What if I revealed the highly shocking scientific fact that your damaging cortisol stress hormone levels can be effectively neutralized and brought down in as little as 5 dedicated minutes, simply by strategically using an ancient, surprisingly simple controlled breathing technique? Today, I will meticulously share the highly guarded method that has been successfully utilized for centuries by Buddhist monks in Tibet and elite Navy SEAL personnel to achieve profound, instant inner calmness and laser focus. I will demonstrate the scientific way to immediately and powerfully activate your crucial parasympathetic nervous system, strategically switching your body's fight or flight response to a state of highly effective concentration in just 5 minutes flat. Are you ready to master the essential secret to controlling your stress, even before that stress attempts to take over your critical life decisions entirely? Many hardworking modern professionals are chronically trapped in a state of sustained, corrosive stress, operating their busy routines with short, shallow breathing patterns, which continuously triggers the excessive, damaging production of cortisol inside their overwhelmed bodies. The core internal conflict arises because the conscious mind desperately wants to be highly productive and focused, but the tense sympathetic nervous system automatically inhibits the critical cognitive functions necessary for efficient, rapid problem-solving and mental agility. This condition of cortisol overload not only causes severe mental fatigue and debilitating brain fog, but also significantly impairs the immune system and drastically increases the risk of making poor, detrimental financial decisions. Isn't it incredibly discouraging when you possess massive professional ambitions, but your own physical body subconsciously and constantly sabotages all your genuine potential for career success and growth? Let us wisely view cortisol not as a powerful enemy that must be aggressively attacked, but instead as a vital emergency alarm signal that is far too frequently activated, and controlled breathing is the single manual switch-off tool that is available and reliable. Ancient monks profoundly understood that slow, deep, and precisely structured breathing patterns directly communicate with the vagus nerve, which serves as the primary communication highway to the powerful, calming parasympathetic nervous system. Clinical research convincingly shows that controlled breathing techniques sustained over a short, measured time period are remarkably effective at significantly lowering stress-induced cortisol levels, reliably inducing a rapid, measurable relaxation response. We will leverage this profound ancient wisdom as a modern mental biohack to ensure your mind is always clear, stable, and completely prepared to strategically face any sudden professional challenge that arises. The primary, highly effective technique we have adapted from ancient teachings and utilized widely by the modern military is box breathing, which is a highly structured, rhythmic pattern, the 4-4-4-4 technique, designed to stabilize your heart rate and mind. The procedure is remarkably simple. Inhale smoothly and fully through the nose for 4 slow counts. Hold the breath briefly and calmly for 4 counts. Exhale slowly and completely through the mouth for 4 counts. And then hold again for 4 counts before seamlessly repeating the cycle. This precise breathing pattern scientifically creates a deeply calming rhythm successfully compelling your entire nervous system to actively switch from the highly tense sympathetic mode to the naturally relaxed parasympathetic mode. Complete just 1 full minute of cycles, and you will immediately notice a significant, tangible reduction in your heart rate and profound muscle tension relief. Open loop. There is one crucial, simple, physical touch technique you must strategically add when holding your breath to dramatically multiply this stress reduction effect, which I will share with you in paragraph 10. Box breathing works incredibly fast because it intentionally lengthens both the exhale phase and the breath-holding phase, two key physiological mechanisms that directly calm the vagus nerve and rapidly inhibit the massive release of stress-inducing cortisol. When you deliberately breathe deeply, slowly, and rhythmically, you maximize blood oxygenation levels and send a clear, undeniable, safe signal to the brain, which automatically and instantly reduces the production of destructive stress hormones. This rapid reduction in cortisol effectively frees up crucial cognitive resources that were previously consumed by the draining stress response, significantly boosting immediate focus and fully restoring your ability to think rationally and quickly. Consistent 5-minute rituals using this specific technique can fundamentally and positively alter your entire body's response to every source of external pressure effectively. The second essential technique you must master is diaphragmatic breathing, deep belly breathing, which constitutes the fundamental cornerstone of all successful monks' breathing techniques for expertly managing chronic, long-term stress accumulation. This crucial breathing practice involves deep inhalation that allows your abdomen to fully and completely expand, rather than just the chest cavity, ensuring you intake the maximum oxygen supply urgently required by your entire body. Consistently developing proper diaphragmatic breathing will significantly reduce chronic muscle tension in your shoulders and neck area, which are the main physical symptoms associated with sustained stress and overwhelming tension buildup. Practice this foundational breathing exercise every day for 2 committed minutes, and you will effectively build a powerful, unwavering internal buffer against persistent, debilitating anxiety. Diaphragmatic breathing directly and reliably increases the vital oxygen supply to your brain, which is absolutely crucial and necessary for maintaining perfect mental clarity and successfully combating the debilitating brain fog that compromises cognitive performance. When your mind is quiet and not under continuous attack by stress signals, you become significantly more capable of processing complex information and making logical, efficient decisions much faster and with greater confidence. Your overall sleep quality will also dramatically improve with this consistent practice, ensuring complete cognitive recovery every single night, so your high productivity during the day remains consistently optimal and maximal. Make this simple, deep belly breathing your primary commitment to achieving both stable mental health and ultimate professional success. The third strategic step is the 5-minute reset, which involves applying box breathing strategically and instantly in situations of acute stress in the workplace, such as immediately before a highly challenging client call or right after receiving an email that provokes intense anger. Immediately initiate the box breathing technique. Repeat 5 to 7 full cycles. As soon as you feel negative emotions beginning to surface, allowing 5 full minutes for the calming parasympathetic nerve to completely assume control of your internal state. This is the crucial, proactive way to successfully avoid emotionally impulsive, damaging reactions such as sending an aggressive email, which can severely jeopardize your important long-term business relationships and career. 5 minutes of dedicated breathing focus is an incredibly small time investment with the potential for a massive, highly valuable return on superior decision-making. The true, difficult struggle in consistently applying this technique is fighting the old, negative habit of spontaneously and emotionally reacting to sudden stress, which is the immediate biological tendency to panic and take short, shallow breaths. This 5-minute reset technique deliberately teaches you to create a vital conscious pause between the negative stimulus, the stressor, and your eventual measured response, the action, successfully giving you back complete control over your emotional state. The invaluable ability to deliberately delay an emotional, destructive response is a distinct hallmark of highly successful leaders, allowing them to calmly analyze the situation completely before taking logical, well-measured action. Every time you successfully execute the 5-minute reset, you are neurologically strengthening the powerful pathway of sustained calmness and focus in your brain. Closing the open loop. The simple physical touch technique you must strategically add when holding your breath to significantly multiply the stress reduction effect is lightly pressing the area between your eyebrows, the third eye point, or gently squeezing your opposite wrist with the fingers of your other hand. The comprehensive total solution involves 1. Use box breathing, 4-4-4-4, for 5 minutes for immediate acute reset. 2. Practice daily diaphragmatic breathing for the indispensable foundation of calmness. And 3. Apply the physical touch technique to powerfully reinforce instant parasympathetic activation. These 3 integrated steps are the scientifically tested physiological formula that you can rely on to quickly stabilize yourself from any intense cortisol storm. In conclusion, the monk's breathing technique is an incredible biohacking tool that is scientifically proven to reliably reset your debilitating cortisol levels, completely changing your internal state in mere minutes, and remains consistently effective. Controlling your own breathing is the most fundamental skill that must be mastered by every single professional who genuinely aspires to operate at peak performance, completely free from the mental fog and damaging emotional pressure. The ultimate key to achieving consistent, sustainable success is the learned ability to rapidly return to an optimal state of calm and focused execution every time you encounter pressure, ensuring every subsequent decision is the very best one possible. Never allow acute stress and destructive negative emotions to continuously rob your mental clarity and aggressively steer you away from achieving your large financial goals. You are now fully equipped with the powerful physiological secret weapon to actively confront stress. Stop letting cortisol destroy your precious workday and important decisions immediately. The challenge begins today. Immediately practice box breathing for 3 full cycles every single time you feel intense frustration or anxiety surging, and actively feel the profound, positive difference in just 5 minutes. If this crucial insight into neuro reset and controlled breathing has truly opened your mind, please immediately show your enthusiastic support by hitting the like button and subscribing right now so we can continue to share unique psychological tricks to significantly boost your business and overall quality of life consistently. Remember, a true master is the one who completely controls their breath, and breath mastery is the absolute key to genuine inner tranquility and sustained professional success.